With the first pick in the 2026 CONEXPO-CON AGG Product Display Draft, Superior Industries selects the portable Independence high-frequency screen plant.
Oh boy, a surprise right out of the gate. Matt Voigt, the portable Independence high-frequency screen plant. I didn't even know it was an option. Are you surprised?
Not surprised at all, Corey. Clearly they wanted to shake up the market here a little bit. All the motors are independently on each individual shaft throughout the two screen decks. The access for those motors is right on the outside of the screen body, so they're not having to crawl in underneath and get dirty and have those motors be in the flow material. Designed into the automation electrical part of it, do an automatic clean cycle on the motors so that your screen media does not blind up and get plugged.
The first pick of the draft, the portable Independence high-frequency screen plant, a brand new product from Superior. I didn't know it was in the field. You'll see it at CONEXPO-CON AGG 2026.